Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how to hide apps in Realme C1. Here I will hide this OneDrive app. Be with me. Watch till end. Go to setting. Then you will find here face and password. Then app lock. I will enter the password. Then this kind of window come. Then click on OneDrive, M-N-O here. Then enable password verification here and here. You will see here won't be here is no any OneDrive. For enabling it, for seeing it, then write the password that you have entered on it. Then add here it is OneDrive. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share to need you on. Thank you.